So starting with drawing one, what I want to do is I want to take a few minutes to give you a little bit of help with this. Alright, so what we're going to do is let's take a look at drawing one. So the way this one works is in the front view I have, maybe the angle here is a little awkward. I need to set up a better stand here. So the front view looks like this. The top view looks like this. And the side view and normally I wouldn't do the back and forth lines, it's just so I can make the lines a little darker and easier to see. So taking a look at this now, this is your first drawing. I want to go over this in a way that helped a few other people. So we're going to use a little bit of color. And for those of you watching live, you might need to pin me to the screen so you can see the full view. But I'm going to use colors to indicate the direction a line goes. So let's start off with the front line. Now, those two lines are actually the same line, which is why I'm highlighting them at the same time. And I'm going to erase a little bit of this because this should be a hidden line. You can't actually see that edge. So I have this red line. And in my isometric drawing, because this is showing height, I'm going to draw this on a vertical line. So 3 units long, straight up and down. And coming away from that, I have a line for length. And that line for length is 4 units long. I'm going to show it in green. And length or width is always going to be on the left side of the Y. So the angle that would make the left side of a Y, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing up here, goes 1 and 1. And that line is also right here. This line right here is down here, but hidden underneath some shorter lines. Coming back up, hidden behind this line is this line. So I come back up the same 3 units I did before. Now I'm going to come over by 2 units, and this 2 unit line is right here. I'm going from here to here. That's my isometric drawing, 1, 2. I'm going to do a couple of lines at once. So this line and this line are hidden behind this line right here. And in the isometric drawing, it's this and this. And then finishing up the front view, I have this line, which is also this line, and it's this line. So that is the front view. Now to show depth, in the top view, we can see 4 lines showing depth. There's this line, this line. Forgive the shaky lines. I'm trying to hold my hand where it won't get in the way of the camera. And you can see all 4 of these lines are stacked up together right here, the side view. Hidden below these 2 lines is this hidden line. And it's this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, and also this point shows this line. And so I can come into my isometric drawing. I'm just going to draw all of those at once. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. And from here, I'm going to fill in the back of the shape. So red line for height is right here. And it's hidden behind So it's hidden behind this line in the front view. And then I have, for length or width, we have here, here, and here, which is here. And this one's hidden, and here. And then hidden behind this line, hidden behind this line, right over here is this vertical line showing height. And that is drawing 1.